WordArt. WordArt's really fun to create and really bring a lot more life to your Excel sheet or workbook. If you come over here to Insert, and under the text area, there's this sideways A WordArt, and we can pick this. So we're going to pick, here's my WordArt, and we can, here is my header. And what's nice about this is you can have this really special, fancy looking design that you can edit. So here we can change the color if you don't like that, of the font itself. You can pick change the outline of it. You can kind of see that. You can give it some more weight so you could see it better. And then, let's pick that. I didn't do that. But you can really change this up. You can give it effects like glowing, or you can bevel it. You can add the reflection or get rid of the reflection, make it bigger, longer. We can add a drop shadow to the text in different directions. All kinds of, and you can transform it so you can make the text round. But one really cool thing that I thought, and of course this floats on top of the cell so you can move this wherever you'd like. And of course if you want to do some different things in the background, you can use these shape styles over here. One thing I thought was pretty cool is I'm going to type in, here is my text, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to put in here equals A1, and all of a sudden now it's this text, which is what we're looking at over here. Whoops, let's go back to home, and we're going to increase the font, and you can see here's my text now is at that size. So I'm going to change this to my name is Greg, and now it kind of does that. So if you were to, you can obviously type it in the WordArt itself, or you can reference a cell and have it display that. So pretty cool things with WordArt.